This is my antenna system. I carry about 8 or 10 feet of RGA cable, and this is a 2-meter antenna for making contact on the road or on one of the big fields out in the Ocala forest. This is 5 amp hour 12 volt battery. I use this for either powering the HF rig, or it can also be used for powering a 2-meter handheld that I have, and in case I want to make contact with the repeater systems in the Ocala City area. I also have a Unun, which is an end-fed for an end-fed half-wave antenna.